Just click on OK.
Yeah, I see something
Yep.
low access.
Yep, that's great. All right, now just give me a while because you see, the remote was taken by the supervisor. Now he will transfer your file back to me because I'm a subordinate. So
Okay,
after I receive your file, I will diagnose your computer and provide you the best solution. Okay?
sure, yeah.
Just give me a moment. And how long you have been using this computer? So like when exactly did you purchase the computer?
Uh, 1 year ago or something, I bought it from a friend of mine.
1 year ago.
Yeah, I bought it from a friend of mine. And I came up with this error message like I was just browsing on the internet and it came up in my screen.
Mm-hmm. All right. This must be regarding some sort of virus infection. Okay. First of all, I have to diagnose if your computer has been infected by some sort of infection or viruses. So, like, do you have any security feature for your computer, antivirus or any security firewall, something like that?
I don't know. Like I'm not using the antivirus much. I'm having the uh built-in like the built-in securities
Built-in security, which one?
from the Microsoft.
Are you talking about Windows Defender?
Yes, that one.
Well, you see, the Windows Defender does not work that effectively. Okay, when I say about the security feature, so like you're working, you're doing bank transactions and all those kinds of stuff on this computer. If you're doing banking transactions and there are essential informations which are very much necessary for you in this computer, then Windows Defender, I won't say that it works on very good terms. That's the reason there are other products in the market, say like McAfee, Norton, Avast, Kaspersky. All these products are available because the Windows Defender do not work that effectively as they do. Okay, this is the Windows Defender, just a basic defender for the initial protection of your computer, not up to that level. And when was the last time, so like you got your laptop for a service, a maintenance?
Um, I don't know. I don't do this. I have bought it like 1 year ago, and since then I didn't.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, Jordan, a computer, say like if you have an antivirus, then it's not quite necessary that you take your computer for a maintenance. But if you're not maintaining a proper antivirus in your computer, then you should have at least taken your computer for a proper maintenance, okay, once in a while, so that you can check if your computer is infected by any virus or not, if the drivers in your computers are functioning or not. All these things are needed to be checked, okay, in the absence of a proper security feature.
Mm-hmm.
Just give me a while.
I'm not sure. Um, I mean, I was just browsing on the internet, like watching videos and all,
Uh-huh.
and I tried to download. Oops, what's that? Join
Okay,
session.
and somehow you went into this. All right, now just give me a
Like that
while. We are getting connected.
that message in the browser, it came up when I was, browsing on the internet and trying to download a
Hmm.
movie. Oh. And your name is Harry or Kevin? Because like I can see here both like support nerds Kevin in that one window
Uh-huh.
and then Zoho Assist says Harry. Are you from the Zoho?
Well, you see, uh, Zoho is an application. It's not a company, okay?
Oh, okay.
And my name is Harry. And Kevin, that's my supervisor. First of all, supervisor took your remote because you see, you were unable to give me the remote because of this message, okay? Just give me a while. There's a system failure here, I can see. Just give me a while. It's not allowing me to do that. All right, just give me a moment. Now I'll have to check. Okay. The Windows is taking quite a time to respond back. So like I can feel the Windows is working quite slow. So is this the
Yeah.
first time or do you experience the same thing?
Yes, it's It's often that slow.
It's often that slow. Okay, that's quite obvious because there is no security feature, so hence there might be some junk files or some sort of drivers which may not be functioning that good because of which the computer got slow. Okay,
Yeah.
now just give me a while. Let me see the performance of your computer. And did you happen to connect any flash drive recently? So like you have connected any flash drive to this computer?
No, I don't think so.
Don't think so. All
No, I
right,
mean a flash
just give
drive
me a
like
while.
the, yeah, but why would I connect it?
Here I can see the user account of this computer is mentioned as Ben. Your name is Ben. I mean, you're registered as Ben.
No, my name is Jordan, but that was the previous user. Like I said, I bought the computer like 1 year ago from a friend of mine,
Uh
and
huh.
it's still his name on
Uh
it.
huh. Okay. So this was not a brand new computer. This was a refurbished computer.
Yeah, I mean it's from my friend. Like he was giving me that laptop, and I bought it from him refurbished, basically. Like he also set it up for me so it
Okay.
it would work.
Uh huh. Just give me a while. Let me see. And how much did you pay for him for this computer?
I paid actually $500. It
Uh
was
huh.
quite good at that
All right.
time, I think, because it has like uh, i5 or something.
All right. Just give me a second. Well, I can observe some sort of irregularities in your computer. Okay. See, like,
What
just
kind of
give
a
me a while. I have
regularity?
to functional irregularities. Okay. There are some functional irregularities in your computer, and that can only happen if the drivers in your computer are not working or have stopped functioning.
Okay, the drivers have stopped
And
functioning. But which drivers? Like which one?
yeah, I have to check for that. Okay, just give me a
Okay.
while. There are. Mm-hmm. All right, I have to check for the drivers of your computer first of all. Let me check. Okay, the computer is quite slow. So what I can do, I can do the proper optimization and tune up of your computer,
Yeah,
so
that
that
would
the
be
speed of your
awesome.
computer would be yeah, so that the speed of your computer would be enhanced. It would be working in a very smooth manner. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So these are the drivers which are not functioning, as I can see. Stopped condition. This is also stopped,
So
and
the
even this one is
drivers.
stopped.
So this means like the computer is in a very bad condition, right? If the Microsoft services are stopped here, right? Like that means that a critical
I would
condition.
not say in a very bad condition. You see, the other drivers are in a running condition. I would
Yeah.
say around 35% of the drivers are in stop condition. Okay.
Okay, 35%. So
So that
that's
means,
actually
yeah,
pretty bad, right? I mean, it's working, but it shouldn't be like that, right? I mean,
yes, it
35%.
shouldn't be like that.
Oh, damn.
35% of the drivers are not working. We just need to fix the 35% drivers, and after that, the computer would be working absolutely fine, as good as new. Because you see, the specifications of the computer, it's a Windows 10 computer, okay, and the hardware is pretty good. So I know that this computer can go for 5 to 6 years very easily if maintained in a proper manner. Now the thing is that you did not do a proper maintenance, plus there is no security feature. So these two factors effectively contributed to this situation of your computer. Okay, your computer got infected, because of which the drivers have got hampered and now they are not working. All right,
Hmm.
and just give me a while. Let me check the presence of any junk files in your computer
Yeah, the
so
junk
that I
files.
can remove the junk files. Yeah, I will
Are
remove the junk
there
files, and if
are,
there's any.
are there also the viruses? Because like when I was getting this error message, it talked about the viruses and all.
Mhm.
So that's the problem.
Yes,
Like
they are.
I'm mainly worried about the
Mhm.
viruses and Trojans and all.
Mm. Yes, you see, the mainly the junk files. There are some. They are a virus in their own way. Okay, let me just check if
What?
if there are any junk files or not.
So these are the viruses. Oh,
Yes, I would not say viruses, but junk files. Okay, I prefer the self-replicating files. You see here, it was 218, now it got 219. You
no,
see, a
but
very unique feature about these
yeah.
files is that they can replicate. Okay, they can multiply in number and they can increase in population by their own. That's the
Mm-hmm.
reason they are called the self-replicating files. They consume the memory of your computer, say like any uh, any storage device, okay, that would be connected to your computer, hard drive, flash drive, okay. The memory of your computer would be consumed by these files because they grow in number, and once they are in good numbers, they will consume all the memory. As a result of which, your computer won't be able to function in a proper manner. Okay,
All right,
I will
yeah.
open one of the files so that you can check what exactly I mean when I say that these are junk files. Just give me a while. If your computer responds in a proper manner, just give me a sec.
Mm-hmm.
Now you will see, okay?
Oh, yeah, that looks crappy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, these are the self-replicating files, the code files, okay, which are present in your computer. And if not removed on time, they will multiply, multiply, and multiply and consume the other storage spaces of your computer. And this can be anywhere inside the computer. This is just the one place. I have to check the other place as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just give me a second. This is just one of the location, and a very characteristic feature about this files is that they are very hard to remove. Okay, if you remove from this place, they will get created from the other place. If you remove it from that place, they will get created from some other place. If you don't have any antiviruses or anti-junk cleaner, since you don't have none of them, that's the reason they are still persisting in your computer. If you had them, then this would not have happened in your computer. Okay, just give me a while. In this location, the number of junk files, let me see. Okay, lucky for you, in this file, the junk files are only limited to four. Okay, they are
Okay.
not more than four, so that's good.
By the
But if
way,
I open
sorry,
any one of these
I
files, okay.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
what happens like when you run that file, like these files that you just
Uh-huh.
showed? What happens then?
If you run this file, you see if they replicate by themselves, they will replicate slowly, one by one today, one the other day. If you run this file, being an administrator of this computer, they will have the permission to replicate spontaneously. Say like in 1 hour, they will replicate their population will increase up to 1,000 files, 2,000 files, 3,000 files. That will be the result if you run the file. Okay, so it is my advice, never try to run a junk file because if they have the permission by the administration, they will multiply spontaneously in a single moment. All right.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So please never do that. Now just give me a sec. Now the drivers are not functioning. Junk files are in that condition. Okay. In that case, what? All right. Just give me a moment. I have to check the services as well. And do you have any important data in this computer? So like your personal data or work data?
Yes, I mean online banking is like important.
Yeah, obviously that's quite important as well. Okay, you see, that's the reason you see the junk files and the infections which are accumulating the storage of your computer. Because of that, these applications have stopped working. Do you see that? Your settings have stopped working. There
Oh,
are certain applications which are not responding,
oh damn.
and even this application has stopped working. Now
That's
that's
very
the reason,
critical,
okay, you
right?
should have, yeah, that's sort of critical. So that's the reason the computer should be maintained, okay? And it's my advice that you maintain a proper antivirus and a junk cleaner
Yeah, but
so
what
that the
about the
computer could
virus,
be
you know?
maintained.
What about the virus? Here it says somewhere that I saw it previously
Hmm.
that it has been infected with a virus and spyware and all. Like it's giving me the error
Hmm.
message here. So
All right,
where do we
just
find that one?
the viruses. Just give me a while. In that case, I'll have to check your computer for the viruses. Just give me a while.
Because I'm worried about that one.
You don't need to worry about that. Okay, I'm the technician operating in your computer. It's my responsibility to clean your computer. Okay, so like if there is any viruses, any junk file, any malware, I will clean everything for you. Okay, you won't have
Right.
to worry anything about that. Just give me a sec. Let me check for the viruses.
Mm-hmm.
I have to close this one. All right, just give me a moment. This is for the viruses. Let me check if there are any viruses or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's taking a time to respond back. Okay, since your computer is working a bit slow, so we have to go with the computer only. So just wait for a while and let me see if the computer works on time or not. It feels like though the computer must have some viruses, okay, because it's taking a time to get me the report. All right, let me see.
Mm.
So, do you download any other things on this computer? So, like any documents from the email,
Yeah,
the attachments, the documents that you receive on email?
like sometimes my friends are sending me funny pictures or something and I'm saving them.
Hmm. Okay, that might have been the possible cause. Okay, just give me a while.
By the way, sorry for asking, like, what's your name again? Sorry, I didn't pay,
Oh,
like, it,
sorry.
no,
No problem. My name is Harry. Okay.
Harry, because, like, previously here it shows in the support nerds application, it shows Kevin. So
Hmm.
your name is
Kevin.
Kevin.
Oh, Kevin. That's my supervisor. Actually, he took the remote by your hand. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Uh, yeah. So my supervisor took the remote because only they because they can take the remote. After that, he transferred the file back to me, so that I can check the computer and provide you the solution.
Alright, awesome. I was just
Hmm.
confused, like, because there was two things showing up in the screen, and I wasn't.
Yes, yes, totally understandable. All right, it's taking a time to respond back. What is happening? When was the last time the computer was used? Like last time you were using the computer and it worked perfectly fine?
I mean, it's slow since like a year or so, but this message came up just right now. I'm not sure that that's.
Okay, just give me a while. I have to cancel it. All right. You see, there are. Oh my God, that's not good.
Maybe we should start it again, like the event tour. Maybe just restart it and then.
Yes, yes, this is not responding quite well. I have to restart it once again for the because this can give me the details and the data if your computer has any virus or not. Okay, only this one can. Now just once I have to do it once again
Yeah.
so
Oh,
that
sorry.
I can check.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it once again, and I hope this time the computer returns to me with a good favor.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a sec.
Something is beeping. I'm not sure, like, if it requests some. Maybe we should
Something in your
also
computer?
close the internet browser. You close it. Oh,
No. You please let me check the virus status, okay, so that I can make sure if there is any virus or not.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me do it the other way. I will do it the other way. I will directly go to the driver list. That should be quite good. Driver query. It's not responding. What happened? Okay,
Here
it's
it
coming
comes.
up. Okay. Okay.
And you're from the support nerds, right? Support nerds. I mean,
Yes, that's exactly correct. All right. Okay. File corrupt. Floppy disk driver. File system.
oh, here
All right.
it's there. The event viewer is here.
Yep. Oh, just give me a while. I have to check this one. Okay. Just
Okay.
give me a while. If I open this, just let me check if it's there or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There is there is there. Yeah, it's there. All right. So you see, to a certain degree, okay, to a certain level, I can see there are warnings, okay, about some sort of virus infection in your computer.
Wow,
Just give me a
115.
while.
These are the virus infections, right? Like the warnings.
Yes, these are the warnings present in your computer. 115 events.
Oh, so many.
Okay, so, mm, okay, this was the one I was looking for. This is the final confirmation about the degree of situation of your computer at the moment.
Yeah, it's also
All
because of
right.
the
So you see,
viruses, right?
Jordan.
Like that's the viruses.
Yes, the viruses, correct. Also
Yeah.
because of the viruses to a degree. Okay, just give me a while. Let me see for the final time. Okay. All right. So you see, Jordan, to summarize what exactly is going on with the computer,
Oh,
in the
what's
absence of a proper maintenance for a very good amount of time, plus in the absence of a security feature, so like an antivirus or a junk cleaner, the drivers of your computer, okay, the junk files have accumulated in your computer, because of which the storage devices, the memory has been consumed, and because of the infections, viruses, and the junk files combined contribution, the drivers of your computer has failed. Some drivers, the 35% drivers of your computer are not functioning, because of which all these issues have come up in your computer, okay?
mm-hmm.
Now, in total, what we have to do, I have to do a thorough cleanup of your computer. So, like remove the infections, viruses, remove the junk file from your computer. Apart from that, I have to reinstall the drivers or the drivers which might be functioning and are not functioning in that good manner. I have to reactivate that drivers in a proper manner once again. Now, in order to do that, okay, what I would do, I would assign a level 2 technician, a Microsoft certified technician who would do all the servicing on your computer. But as I went through the specifications of your computer, I got to know that the warranty on your computer has been expired already, okay?
Okay, yeah.
So in this case, I can provide you two options. Either I can register your computer for the one-time fix, or else I can register your computer for the software so that all the software issues would be covered. Plus, next time if you face any other issue with the software, it would be covered under the software warranty itself, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, just give me a while. I will provide you both the options and you can decide from them.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Just give me a while. I'm setting this up so that I can provide you the details. All right. So you see the first option available to you that you can do that would be one-time fix.
Mm-hmm.
One-time fix means one-time warranty. Jordan, can you please click on Do Not Ask Again, then click on Allow.
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
Oh, no problem. It will come up very soon. So you see, this is the first option available to you. One-time fix, that means all the virus infection would be removed, the junk files would be removed, the services would be reactivated, and the drivers would be reinstalled. All these things would be done for today, and you would be receiving a warranty for next 30 days. Within next 30 days, if you face the same issue with the computer, it would be resolved without any additional cost or without any additional charges. And that would be for the amount of $69.99. Okay, but I seldom do not advise this service to my customers because you just get a warranty of 30 days and no premium benefits or no major benefits are included in the warranty. What I would suggest, you go for the software warranty itself because you see you're facing this issue with the computer today. What's the guarantee that in next 2 to 3 months or say like 4 months you won't get any issue, any other software issue with the computer? So to protect you and your computer for a longer run, now Jordan, please click on Do Not Ask Again on the small box.
Yes.
On the small box, Do Not Ask
Yeah.
Again. Now click on Allow. All right, thank you. So you see the other option, okay, that I recommend to my customers very often, that would be for the sub warranty itself. Okay, just give me a while. I will expand this one. This would be the software warranty I'm talking about. Okay, it has many major benefits. I'm just including the 10 major benefits so that you can read it by yourself. In this warranty, where is that? We provide software coverage. Full software coverage would be provided to you, and it will be including all premium benefits. Two
Mm-hmm.
devices would be covered for the warranty. One would be your computer, which is very obvious. The other would be printer, router, tablet, or a smartphone. You let me know. Do you have any printer? Do you have any printer with you?
Yes.
All right. So see, two devices would be covered under this warranty. One would be your computer, other would be your printer. And with that, you would be receiving free diagnostics for any technical support. The current issue would be resolved, and you won't have to pay anything extra for the issue that would be resolved today. See, like first of all, we will make the warranty, then only we will start the work, so that everything gets covered under the warranty. Monthly services would be our responsibility. So, like your computer hardware is very good, we will keep up the monthly services. Every month, we will call you back to do the monthly services. With that, you would be receiving optimization, tune up, and computer service each month. We also provide security against infections, viruses, malware, and spyware. The major threats that your computer is facing at the moment. And data backup, recovery, restore would be our responsibility, including Windows 10 update. And this is a transferable warranty, okay? In
Mm-hmm.
case in future if you purchase a new computer, this warranty can be transferred to that new computer or to that new printer, okay? If you include your printer as well, that would be good. And we will install our one-click application. Select next
Okay.
time if you face any issue with the computer, any software issue, we will install our application right here on the desktop. You just need to open that application, and one of our technician would be in contact with you, say like within a minute of time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And this warranty can be made for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, depending upon the choice of customers. I will give you the details for all the years. Say like if you want to go for 1 year for both the printer and computer, just give me a moment. For both the printer and computer, for one complete year of service warranty, that would be for $199.99, okay? And that would be transferable. If you want to go for 2 years of service warranty with all the premium benefits plus transferable, in that case, that would be for $349.99. And for 3 years of service warranty with all their premium benefits plus transferable, in that situation, it would be for $499.99. So you let me know, Jordan. I have provided you all the options for the service of your computer. Which one shall I activate for your computer? Shall I activate the one-time fix with just one-time warranty and a limited period of time benefits, or shall I activate the service warranty itself, which would be for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years?
Let's take 5 years.
Sorry, how many years?
5.
5. Okay. So like if you go for 5 years, the 5 years that's $799.99. Would you like to go for $799.99 for 5 years?
Yes.
All right. Just give me a moment. So if you go for 5 years, that would be $799.99. Okay, for both the printer and computer. Just give me a moment. Just give me a while. And before registering your computer for the service warranty, I will give you your details. Please check if your details are correct or not since you're registering for 5 years. Okay, there you go. So, Jordan, to register your computer for the service warranty, can you please write down your name, your contact number, your email ID, and your billing address?
Yeah.
Yes, Jordan, you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, to register your computer for the service warranty, can you please write down the essential details so that they can register your computer for the service warranty? So, like your name, your contact number, your email ID, and your billing address.
How do you store my billing address? Like, do you put it in the um do you put it in the notepad, or like where do you store it on your side?
We store it in our database, okay?
Okay.